Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to copy your Instagram profile link. It is very simple, so let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is to open up the Instagram app. Once you're here, you want to go to their profile in the bottom right corner, and then you want to click on your edit profile right here. Then as you can see, my username is Kaden Mayberry. All you want to do is click on this, double tap your name, and then copy your whole username. Once you have done that, all you need to do is go to a browser, a searching browser, and you want to type in Instagram.com. Then you put slash, and then you can copy or paste your username. From here, it should pull up your Instagram. And then now, if you go back to the web address, if you just copy this is your whole Instagram link, and you can put it anywhere you'd like. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the